Hello guys, so I'll be working this question here today, right? Now, given the area of a semicircle is 50 pi centimeter square, find the perimeter of the shape, rectangle plus the semicircle. So let's try to do this now, all right? All right, so let's go on the board here. Um, so I'll go through some stuff. The area of a circle is pi r square. The area of a semicircle, that is half of circle, right? Area will be pi r square upon 2, right? The circumference of a circle is 2 pi r or pi d, where d is 2r, right? And you know rectangle perimeter, right, is length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. Or you can say that's if you have a full rectangle, but in this case we don't have a full rectangle. So these are the main formulas you need to know to solve this problem. Now let's go to the problem. All right, let's look at the shape. You got the shape. They tell you this is 20 cm, this length, and this area here, right, is equals to 50 pi cm square. That's all the information you have, and you're asked to find the perimeter of the shape. Now what the perimeter means, let us say you start from this point here, you're gonna go around here, right, and then you have to go through this semicircular block, right? You come back here. So this, you know, this gonna be 20. You don't know what this gonna be yet. This gonna be like the diameter of the circle. When you know, so you're gonna know, you know this, you know this. If you find this, you'll know this, and then you have to find this portion here, right? Okay, so let's look at this semicircle. If you have a semicircle and you have a radius, right? Area of circle is pi r square. And semicircle gonna be pi r square upon 2. Now you know this is 50 pi cm square, this area here. So you have to say 50 pi is equal to pi r square upon 2, right? From this here, you can work out what is r. Now right away you can actually cancel pi and pi. So you have 50 is equals to r square upon 2, right? Now you want to find r. So r square upon 2. Now if I multiply by 2 here, I will multiply by 2 here. This and this gonna cancel. So we have 100 is equals to r square. But 100, you can say the square, now you want r, right? So you can do r square square root is equals to 100 square root, and you put 100 square root in your calculator and you'll get what is the answer there. which is 10. But what about look at it from a very simple way? You know 10 multiplied by 10 is equal to 100. So instead of doing it this way, you just put that r squared is equals to 100. R squared is equals to 10 multiplied by 10. But 10 multiplied by 10 is the same as 10 to the 2. So r squared is equals to 10 squared, right? Didn't show that on the board well. R squared is the same as 10 squared. So r is equals to 10, right? So now we know for this semicircle that we had, we know that the radius here is 10 cm. So that means the diameter will be 2 times the radius, will be equal to 2 times 10 cm is 20 cm, right? So this is gonna be 10, this is gonna also be 10. Good. So this is one part of the question. Let's go back to the question again. Draw the shape. Now this is working out to be like the shape is like a square, right? But remember, a square is also a rectangle. So we know this is 20 cm. The radius here from here to here is 10 cm. So that means from here to here is also 10 cm. So we have 20 cm here. So that means this side is 20 cm. And we know this is 20, so this must be 20 cm. Now we need to find what is this portion here to find the perimeter. So the perimeter will be 60 cm, that is this plus this plus this plus whatever is this, right? Now, what you know of the circumference of a circle? You have a circle of radius r. The distance around the circle is 2 pi r, right? Now if I want half of this circle, this distance here, it's gonna be 2 pi r upon 2. So it's really gonna be pi r, right? So when you look at the shape, you know this from here, the radius here is 10 cm. You know this is 20 cm, 20 cm, 20 cm. So this distance here is gonna be pi, well, I should say the circumference is 2 pi r, but because it's a semicircle, it's divided by 2, which is pi r. So this distance is gonna be pi times 10, right? So the perimeter in this question, right, the perimeter here will be 60, or I should put it again, show you that it's going to be this plus this plus this. So 20 plus 20 plus 20 is 60 cm plus this distance here, which is equals to 10 pi cm. 10 pi cm. Right? So you can put this in your calculator or you can work it out like this. Perimeter is 60 cm plus 10 times 22 upon 7 cm. Yeah, I don't have a calculator on me right now, but you can work that out and get an answer, and that'll be your perimeter. But you can safely write it right now in the form 60 cm plus 10 pi cm as a parameter. And that would be the solution to that question, right? So in this question, we tackled, we have we have an area, and from the area we can find the radius, and from the radius we were able to work out the circumference of the semicircle and solve for the perimeter of the entire shape. All right, so I'll stop here for today. I would encourage you to subscribe in YouTube to my channel because I'll be posting videos, and if I see that I'm getting subscription going up, it will encourage me to keep doing this. All right, so have a great day. That's all for now.